My video is about removing Evenfreshequate11.live pop-up windows which are presented as Chrome Search Contest 2020 alerts. The pop-up indicates that you've made the 5 billionth search. However, this is a totally misleading and very deceptive statement that you should not trust. Even though the pop-up promises you can win some gifts such as a Samsung Ultra HD TV or something else, all these messages by the pop-up are totally deceptive. You should not trust them because these pop-ups try to trick you into providing some of your personal details, and interacting with these pop-ups through these fake surveys may result in a leakage of your personal information and its disclosure to third parties. So I recommend you not to tolerate these alerts and not to share any of your personal data through them. By the way, the fact that you see these pop-ups in your screen could be the evidence of some adware in your Mac. I recommend that you carefully examine your available Mac applications. So go to your Mac Finder, click on Applications, and carefully look for the suspicious items you might see here. If you locate something suspicious, move it to the trash. But sometimes the adware is concealed so deep that you cannot visually establish its presence. In the light of these facts, I strongly advise that you scan your Mac with a Combo Cleaner, the reliable security software specifically for Mac, and you may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. After the software is downloaded and installed, you need to wait until the antivirus database is updated, and finally click on Start Combo Scan button. The program is in the trial mode initially, however, it also has got some free features. They are disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. So click on Start Combo Scan and the program will give you the detailed report at the end of scanning. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you will see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually, one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.